I'm gonna get further up here in the hills, up into the redwoods, and test out the Max Lens Mod 2.0, kind of up in the redwoods in the twisties a little bit, and because I'm really stoked with it, and I got all the poles on the back of the bike, and get the visor down, and yeah, it should look pretty cool. I got the old GoPro 6 on the front. I'm gonna throw the 9 down by the front tire, see if we get a bunch of camera angles and stuff, and have some fun with that Max Lens Mod. And that's my plan. Oh man, road work ahead. All right, slow her down. see how that works out. Look at those chemtrails. Crazy. Double half circle spray. I don't know if that'll come over on the GoPro. I'd probably have to zoom in. We'll try. Yeah, that's not clouds. Not a chance in hell. Trails. Look at that. That ain't clouds. Fingers. It's probably got, they either put the flu in it or some fucking bullshit in it probably. Look at that. That ain't clouds. That's straight up duster. Crop duster.